Alright, Daydreamer here, back again. In review of the 40 volt Hart lawnmower. The 18-inch to be exact. I cleared all of this except for that, which is something in there. I'll have to get that with the weed eater. I also bought the 40 volt weed eater. That and the 18 inch Hart lawnmower is what helped me clear out this entire jungle area back here. And has gotten it done pretty good so far. There's some more of the yard over there I need to work on. More of this. Some more over there. Some more over here. And every bit of this front out here was all pretty much complete jungle. Nobody been at this place for about 6 or 7 years. Well, introducing the new one. This is the next stage up. Well, actually, this is 2 steps up from the 18 inch. This is the 20 inch 40 volt self-propelled, capable of holding 2 batteries in the bay, but as you can see, only one of them is actually there for power. The other one's just there for storage. It is self-propelled. I didn't do an unboxing. It has variable speed self-propelling. It is literally the exact same size as the gas burner. I was running it today after I let the yard get up pretty fluffy again. And I got every bit of this done here, knocked down. And this is literally my brand new one because I killed the other one. It was too small to be acting like a bush hog. That's my personal opinion. It worked. It lasted for a pretty good while, surprisingly long for the type of material I was putting it through. I know I shouldn't have done that, but disclaimer, yeah, that was my bad. But I didn't want to go buy a $10,000 bush hog or something, so got what I could. And it did the trick. Now this one here, when I get out here, it's going to be smooth sailing, nothing but plain grass. And we'll see how it goes from there. This is day 1. Just cut the grass and I'm charging the battery again. Stay tuned for more reviews. I'll be back with a 1-week tutorial or 1-week update on the 40 volt Hart 20 inch self-propelled lawnmower. Take it easy.